Bonjour et bienvenue. Good morning and welcome. Today we are going to start a new topic. But before we start, I want you to brush up a few things. So, all common nouns in French, either living or non-living, are either masculine or feminine. That means there is no neuter gender in French, which says that all the objects or things also have a gender in French. There is no specific rule to find out the gender of the nouns in French, but we can recognize them with the articles which are used before those nouns. So today in this class we will study about the articles. There are two types of articles in French as we have in English too. So they are indefinite articles and definite articles. So the indefinite articles in French are known as les articles indéfinis, and the definite articles in French are known as les articles définis. Now let us see what is the difference between them. So the indefinite article used in English is a. So if I am referring to any noun about which I have not talked about before, or that is an unspecified person or thing, I can say a boy, a girl, a pen, a chair, etc. So it is basically used to refer to an unspecified person or thing. In the same way, these les articles indéfinis are also used with the nouns when we come across them, that is maybe an object, a person, an animal, or a person for the first time. Now, the indefinite article used in English is the. So, in the same way, these les articles définis in French are used to indicate some particular person or thing. That means they are used before the nouns we have become familiar with or we have already referred to. In this video, we are going to study about les articles indéfinis. That means the indefinite articles. As I told before, they are used to refer to an unspecified person or thing. But before we proceed, I want to tell you that in French, it is obligatory. That means it is compulsory to use an article before the noun. Now let us see the les articles indéfinis. In French, masculine, feminine and plurals matter a lot. So now, if the noun is masculine and singular, the indefinite article used is un. What is it? Un. I repeat again. If the noun is masculine and singular, the article used is un. It is the same as we have a and an in English. Now, if the noun is masculine, I have taken an example, a boy. So now, boy is masculine and the boy in French is known as garçon. It is garçon. So if I have to say a boy, what will I say? I will say a garçon. It is a garçon. Now, if the noun is feminine and singular, the indefinite article used is une. It is une. It is the same again as we have a and an in English. Now, the example I have taken over here is a girl, right? And if I have to say a girl in French, what will I say? Une fille. It is une fille. So, now, if I have to tell you, how will you differentiate between the masculine and the feminine nouns in French? So now, the nouns which end with E in French are more likely to be feminine, but it is not all the time. We do have a lot of exceptions in French, so you need to keep learning them with time. Now let us see the third les articles indéfinis. So now if the nouns are plural in their form, be it masculine or be it feminine, the article used is they. That means some. So the article used is they. So if I have to say some boys, what will I say? They garçon. Please remember this last S is never pronounced. So it is they garçon. And if I have to say some girls, it is also the same. They feel. Again, this last S will not be pronounced. Let us see some examples of the nouns which are masculine singular. So the first one is a cahier. It is a cahier. That means a notebook. The next one is a stylo. It is a stylo. That means a pen. Let us come to the next one. That is a crayon. A crayon. That means a pencil. The next one we have taken is a ordinateur. That is a ordinateur. That means a computer. The next one is a drapeau. That means a flag. The next one is a ventilateur. That is a ventilateur. That means a fan. Now let us see some exceptions. Now the first word we have taken is a cartable. That means a school bag. You can see that it is ending in E, but it is still a masculine noun. The next exception we have taken over here is a leaf. That is a leaf. That means a book. Again, it is ending in E, but it is still a masculine word. Next are the nouns which are feminine singular. The first one we have taken over here is une table. Une table. That means a table. The next example we have taken over here is une gomme. Une gomme. That means an eraser. Let us see the next one. The next one is une règle. Une règle. That means a ruler or a scale. The fourth one is une clé. That means a key. And the last one we've taken over here is une chaise. That means a chair in English. Now let us see the nouns which are either masculine plural or feminine plural. As I told you before too, the indefinite article used with plurals is they. Now let us see the first example. It is they cahiers. That means some notebooks. As I told you before too, cahier is a masculine word. Now let us see the second example. It is des gommes. That means some erasers. Eraser is a feminine word. Next is des cartables, means some school bags. The next example is des stylos, means some pens. And the last one is des tables. Des tables, that means some tables. I hope the topic of les articles indéfinis is clear to you. So keep practicing. Merci. Au revoir.